Hello YouTube. As usual, things happen when you're working on a car. Now, I ordered some new coils and plugs for the car, performance ones, but just like always, this car sometimes just don't want to wait. I got to check engine light for number 5 spark plug misfire, which is the plug right there. Since I got the performance ones coming in the mail, I just bought one ignition coil and one spark plug. I put that in, and I have to check engine light on. Now there's 3 ways you can fix this. You can just drive the car, and after a couple of cycles it'll cut off by itself. Or you can have a computer, get you one of those OB2 computers and plug it in and reset it. Or do it like I'm doing it. I'm taking off the battery cable, let it sit for 15 minutes. I'll reset the computer, put the negative back on, and once you fix that, it will not come back on. But you got to address that issue first, which I just did. Also, I'm working on the paint chips on the car on the roof, and it's one on the bumper. I just sanded down some little spot putty there that I'm going to sand down. But that's it. But let me show you the work I did on the paint. You'll be surprised. It's been 30 minutes. I put the clamp back on and the check engine light's off, so that's fixed that. Now let's check out the paint. You can't even tell where the paint chipped off at. And also on the roof, nope, you can't see the paint there either. I think I did a pretty good job for amateur body man. And that's it for this short video. Like I said, parts are coming. More stuff to be done to this and this. Until next time, I'll see you.